happy Wednesday. Let's take a look at your surface analysis map. You'll see high pressure set up over the east coast. That has been keeping it relatively stable. There has been a little bit in the way of clouds, and that has been from some upper air instability, but it has been dry at least. You'll see off towards the west, low pressure that's working really hard to try to work its way east. High pressure is blocking it for now, but if you look up into regions like Montana, they are seeing some heavy snowfall with this storm system. As it works its way towards the east, it will warm up. You won't be seeing any snowfall yet, but seeing these trends in the northern parts of America shows us what's on the way in the next couple of months. All right, well, let's get to a question of the week. This comes from one of my students who is wondering, how much rainfall have we had, and is it more than normal? And the answer is yes. If we take a look at the stats, you'll see for August, the average amount of rainfall is 3.82 inches. We saw 4.89 inches. For September, take a look at those numbers. The average amount of rainfall for September is 3.7 inches. We saw 7.66 inches, so quite a bit over. And for October, right now we're trending actually below normal. The average is 3.54 inches, and we've seen 1.59 inches. Those stats are coming from the Poughkeepsie Airport, so pretty close by. October is almost over. We've seen a lot of rainy weekend days. We're not just seeing as much precipitation as normal, but we definitely could deserve the break. In the pictures there in the middle, you could have seen that corn there from a student that sent that in. She said that's all the corn that she got this season. The rest of it was moldy because the ground has been so wet. It's been making the produce get moldy before you can harvest it. So it's been a very tough year for gardening and farming. All right, without further ado, let's get to your 5-day forecast. We're going to start off with your Wednesday. Look for morning sun followed by afternoon clouds. We'll start to see a warming trend in the temperatures. Highs for your Wednesday will be in the mid to upper 60s. For Thursday, more clouds and sun, maybe an isolated shower. It'll be warm with highs in the low 70s. For Friday, partly cloudy, warm. Highs will be in the mid 70s. You'll see those low temperatures creeping back up too into the 40s and 50s. For Saturday, partly sunny skies, chance of a shower in the afternoon. Highs will be in the mid 70s. And then all of that will start to change on Sunday. That low pressure centered off towards the west will finally make its way east, and it looks like it will cause some rain for your Sunday into your Monday, and behind it, cooler, more seasonal temperatures. All right, thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again next week.